Hey cadets and new recruits, Happy New Year! This past year, 2020, has been a wild one. For me, it was a lot of working from home, being responsible, and playing thousands of hours of Fortnite. We'd like to thank each and every one of you for sticking around. Today, we'd like to do a quick recap and go over the top gainers of this last year. We've decided to only include coins that were already live at the beginning of 2020, and we've rounded off these numbers a bit so that I won't be reading off every decimal digit like the mathematical constant of pi, which is 3.141592655359. With that said, let's take a look at the greatest gains of 2020.
Cryptonauts.
Number 5, Binance Coin. With the launch of Binance Chain's mainnet, 2020 was poised to be a good year for BNB. Starting off January 1st at just $13, BNB saw a fantastic increase to $38 by the end of December. This comes out to a 292% increase if you invested at the beginning of this year. When's the last time you saw those kinds of gains in the stock market? Number 4, Stellar Lumens. Originating in 2014, Stellar launched as an open network that allowed users to send crypto across borders for virtually no transaction fees. XLM entered the year at the measly price of 4 pennies. By New Year's Eve, however, the Lumens had seen gains upwards of 325% at a final price of 13 pennies. Number 3, the almighty Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin is number 1 in our hearts, it surprisingly only comes in 3rd on this list. Beginning the year around $7,200, Bitcoin has seen an astronomical rise to new all-time highs over $29,000. But if we do the math, that only comes out to about 404% in gains. Let's hope Bitcoin comes for the number 1 spot next year. Number 2, Ethereum. 2020 was a breakthrough year for Ethereum, from DeFi to yield farming. Ethereum has shown it has very legitimate use cases that have been made accessible to the layman. With an opening price of only $130 in January, many of us questioned if Vitalik was still with us always. But with the help of DeFi, Ethereum was able to finish at number 2 on this list at the price of $740, a 528% increase. Number 1, Chainlink. A decentralized Oracle network has taken the cake for 2020. With the explosion of Ethereum and DeFi, oracles are essential to bridging the gap between blockchain technology and real-world applications. Starting off with a price of $1.80, the Link saw an astounding pump to $11.90, reaching an all-time high of $19 on the way. At number 1, Chainlink saw the biggest gains this year at 661%. Alright cadets, what did you think? Do you have any big gains on your list you'd like us to know about? Let us know in the comments. Happy New Year to you, and until next time, hodl, secure crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.